Hey sweeties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Basi Oliphant if you don't already know me. For those who already know me and are coming back to my channel, thank you so much. Hello to all my new subscribers. So please subscribe to my channel, hit the thumbs up button, and like this video, okay? So today what I'm going to be showing you guys, as you guys can already know by the title of this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my gel nails at home. So this is kind of like what they look like at the moment. Horrible, I know. So I do have a gel kit. Actually, coming here is much brighter. This camera is heavy, okay? I'm using my sister's camera, but whatever. So we are going to be doing gel nails today. I will put up the inspo picture that I want, like right here, what I want to do to my nails. I don't know if it's gonna work. I don't have the base color, like that, what is it called? There's this certain color that they put on your nails if you're doing like a French tip and all that other stuff. So I don't have that color, so we'll see how I can go about maybe mixing some colors together or whatever the case may be. But right now it is currently 11:55. I haven't had anything to eat yet. I am dying of hunger. I want to go make something to eat, but I can't decide between eggs, baked beans, the chicken ration, toast, cucumber, tomato, you know the works, or porridge. I can't decide between the two. I do want some coffee, but I don't have any almond milk, so I'm not gonna have coffee. My almond milk ran out like a week ago. So yeah, I'm just quickly gonna make some food and then we'll get back into this video. Please like already and subscribe. Let's get into this video. So sweeties, this is what we're gonna be using. This is what you're gonna need for taking the gel off. So I use some real cotton wool. I just bought the wool instead of the pads, but you can buy either or. And then some acetone that I got from Clicks as well. And then I'm going to use this cuticle pusher to just get the gel off my nails. Then just like a little bowl, I use this bowl to put the acetone in so I can dip my cotton wool into it. And then my sister also got me these, I don't know what they're called, but basically it replaces the foil. You know when they'll put at the salon when you get your nails done, when you have to remove gel, what they'll do is they'll file your nails off, which is what we're going to do. That will be the first step. And then just file the top layer off. After filing the top layer off, then they will put a cotton pad or cotton wool on your nails that's soaked in acetone and then wrap your fingers in foil. So instead of foil, I got these. They really come in handy. The material is silicone. I'm not sure where she got them, but I will ask her and it will be in the description box below. So yeah, let's get started.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give it all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
So right now I'm just trying to file the color off. I want to see what difference it will make, because my nails are like getting very brittle, but they've been like that like since before I even knew about any nail hardeners or anything like that. So what I'm gonna do is I am gonna buy a new base. I think it's a base or something like that, just to make sure that my nails are a little bit more stable. I'm just gonna keep them in longer. I'm gonna go eat my breakfast, which is technically lunch right now. It is 37, and then watch some TV and then continue this. So this brand that I showed, this one over here, I got from Takealot. This one, Instagram, on their website basically, and this one was just one of the gel colors I got at a China shop store, Newlands or something like that. I think that's what it's called. I was actually looking for a base color, and I thought that this was it, but it's too light.
I would like to get to know if it could be the kind of girl that you took me down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, only you. Wanna be down with what you go. Wanna be down. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, it's wanna be down. Wanna be
Yo, hear me now. Anybody do that dance, you're nasty up and them nasty up. Fix things quickly.